We're an intelligent listening business and we listen for wind turbine blade damage. Ping started seriously 4 years ago. In the early years it was all about development of our technology. We are a world-first system and we're the only large-scale commercial acoustic monitoring product on the market at the moment. So in the early years we were developing a product, finding early customers, and now we're at the point where we're starting to scale up, and now we're sort of transitioning to more of a higher volume business and servicing wind farms all over the world. The fundamental way our system works is we listen periodically, so every 20 minutes we listen for a period of time, and what we're doing is listening for anything abnormal with the blades. A person can do that, except they just can't be at the turbine 24/7, 365 days a year. And so what will happen is the airflow over damage creates a sound, and we listen for that sound. And it sort of appears as like a whistling sound, which would typically be on one blade. So by listening for that whistling, we can detect the damage, earlier. So being a new business with world-first technology, we didn't quite know where we're going. So R&D was completely essential to us developing our product. So in terms of our research partner, we've worked with Adelaide University and their machine learning AI group. So they've supported us with improving the quality of our analytics and carried out work for us to further analyse the acoustic data that we're measuring from the wind turbines. We've also realised that it was a lot more work than we had originally realised, and which required way more resources. So the program has been really helpful for us to actually be able to resource and fund what we're doing. And so some of the challenges have been just gathering data. So data is needed to improve what we're doing. So the program's helped us to do that. There's been various other challenges around the housings and the way the system is put together. The R&D program's also helped us with that. For us to develop from the concept, idea, and then build that through into a commercial product, the program's been absolutely fundamental to where we've got to now. We've decided to onshore our PCBA and our sensor manufacturing. It's maybe 15–20% more expensive, but the benefits that we achieve with using a local South Australian manufacturer far outweighs the increase in cost. So the ability for faster turnaround, the ability for better communication through the R&D process has been really invaluable for us. And I think COVID really shook things up in terms of supply chains, security, components, and all the like. So I think there's a really strong push and drive to onshore smart manufacturing. That's what we've done, that's what we're doing, and that's what we're continuing to do.